Key specifications. Review price, £132 duplex print as standard full fax facilities, relatively fast laser engine, optional wireless connectivity, 9000 page toner gives low running costs. The toner cartridges are available in capacities of 3,500 and 9,000 pages, with the 9,000 page part having a large enough yield to ensure you won't need to maintain the printer too often. At current internet prices, we calculate a cost per ISO taxed page of 2.5p. While not the lowest cost we've seen for this class of machine, it's still a relatively cheap device to run. Lexmark describes the X264dn as a small workgroup multifunction printer, and it's certainly large and robust enough to live in a medium-sized office. It's a mono machine, but it supports duplex printing and the ability to copy from single to double-sided pages, though not to produce full duplex copies. The machine is angular enough to look functional, while not being intrusive in less utilitarian surroundings. 50-sheet automatic document feeder. ADF has a slightly tilted feed tray but remains reasonably low profile, and the main laser printer section feeds to a substantial output tray, directly underneath the scanner. The machine can take one optional paper tray, and this can be a 250 or 550 sheet unit. At the back are sockets for USB and 10/100 Ethernet connections, and wireless connection is available as a further option.